Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, northeastern Adams County, Hocking County, Pickaway County, Pike County, northern Scioto County, Ross County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Bloomfield to near Kingston to 6 miles south of Kincaid Springs, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Circleville, Logan, Waverly, Nelsonville, Piketon, South Bloomfield, Kingston, Williamsport, Bainbridge, Hideaway Hills, Logan Elm Village, Hocking Hills State Park, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, North Folk Village, Star, Frankfort, Fox, and Amanda. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. The National Weather